All right, the next question I just received. How do I get a hold of Save Club if I have questions about, cryptocurrency or just debit card, credit card? I live in a country that's not like where I live in Utah. There's a bank, credit union. There's even cryptocurrency machines like ATMs all over the place. Okay. So here's the simple way to get a hold on a minute, to get a hold of Save Club. Okay. So let me shrink my little not my credit card, my business card down. Okay, guys. Now, if you've already signed up, you see Contact Us. Click it. There you go. Okay, you don't have to be a member already to email. support@saveclub.com. Okay, if you have any issues, okay, if you've joined or there's a double charge, or maybe you're just wondering how to upgrade from 1 month to 1 year, okay, I can help you there. All you got to do is just go to My Membership, click that, and you'll see a little button that says just upgrade to the year. Okay, and what's nice is if you're joined now for the month, it waits until your 1 month is over and then gives you a year. So don't worry if you joined for the month a week or two ago, and if you upgrade now, you're going to lose like a couple weeks that you'd have remaining on just your 1 month membership. Okay, but I can answer that for you. When it comes down to, here, let me go here. This is important. If you guys have signed up, and I'm sending an email out to everybody that signs up underneath me right away. When you sign up, get your username, your password. Obviously, you're logged in now. Okay, go to My Earnings. This is super important. See where it says select your payment option? You have to click that. You know why? Because that's how you figure out, do you want to use your bank or do you want to use cryptocurrency? Now, see where it says payment options. What country do you live in? Okay, I'm in America, so submit. Okay, and then payment option, direct deposit. Okay, you can do that if you're in the United States. Okay, and deposit your funds directly into your bank account. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to use that. But you see right here, credit wallet, transfer commissions to credit wallet. Okay, just go ahead and click those buttons and you can completely configure everything with cryptocurrency. Okay, I have a couple people that are in tiny little countries. One little city, I guess, in the Philippines, and another one, it's either Ghana or Guam. I'd have to look it up. I remember it's one of those countries. But anyway, they don't have banks on every corner. Some people, even here in America, they just could care less about a bank or a debit card or a prepaid Visa. I mean, there's a lot of ways to accept payment. But with this company, you got a couple. Okay, so if you're in America, obviously most people are going to just go ahead and just configure with your bank. That way you can upgrade and buy stuff, okay, because you're locked in after you configure your payment. And then obviously we get paid Friday. So yeah, you want to get your ka-ching, your ka-ching. All right. I didn't even realize we were going to get paid so fast with this opportunity. But my first week, I couldn't believe it. I made money. And my second week coming up here, so I'm going to put about, anyway, $1,000 or $1,500. I'd have to figure it out. Just my first 2 weeks. Very exciting. Okay, I'm very excited with Save Club. I'm also saving money just with Save Club itself for the 1997, a mattress, 4 tires for my Hummer, couple car washes I belong to. I know it sounds dumb to belong to 2, but I have one by my radio station here at the office, and I have one over by my warehouses where I store all my vehicles and stuff. So back and forth, there's $17. $300 at Discount Tire, $300 at Purple Mattress. Okay, so I'm well over $600-700. And then when I looked at just the savings that I'm going to get, just my, and I got to be honest, I will accidentally go to probably, maybe, definitely to like a Subway and save $1 or so. All right, I'm going to go to Burger King. I might accidentally get a Whopper and save $5. Popeye's chicken, I never even think of that. I might have to go there. I actually like KFC. Okay, Ford, you want to save $4,900? Check out all their deals there. Okay. And I could go on and on for hours just looking at all the opportunities. I love Home Depot. I go there at least once or twice a month. Okay. I don't travel much, but if I do, you can take Lyft to the airport. You can save on flights, save on hotels. If you want to rent a car, look, there's Alamo. If you want to go to anywhere in Disney World or Florida, they got Universal. Let's see, don't they have a big? Okay, there it is right there. You can go to Disney World or Disneyland, go to Universal Studios. If you have your own car or truck, obviously, motorcycle, if you need home insurance, life insurance, look at this, Travelers, Safeco, and good old Progressive, okay? Give them a shot, okay? They're billion-dollar companies. If they can save you money, why not? You know, right? Give them a shot. You can also chat. See that little blue button? Go ahead and click there, and someone can help you out too if you have any questions. But after you sign in, just remember my deals. Because the other day I got a question about that. How do I really look at just the deals for Save Club to save money? I'll worry about the affiliate thing later. Okay, that's it, guys. My deals. Go right there. That's it. But please go ahead and configure your bank or your crypto, okay, with Credit Wallet. You guys figure this out. And it's under my, where's it at? Right there. My earnings tab. Okay, and I'll just finish up the video here with what we started with. If you have any questions, go ahead and get a hold of support@saveclub.com. One thing they don't want is how to market. How do I get people to click my links, or how do I get views on YouTube? Okay. They're not into the marketing thing. All right. They're more into the technical aspects. Does the website flow? Is there a misspelling? Is there a link that's bad? Okay. Something with your finances. Okay. With your credit card, your debit card. Okay. Stuff like that. But don't be shy. All right. Jeremy's helped me many times already. I love to ask questions because once I know them, I can help you or my downline who's in my group. Okay. So there you go, guys. Appreciate you watching my little videos here. Okay. And I sure hope you sign up. This is such a fun opportunity. We're under pre-launch right now. June 1st, ready, set, go. Today is, I forgot today. It's like May 6th or 7th. So we got about 23 more days before ready, set, go. If you're going to join, you want to join now. All right. We have hundreds, thousands. We're going to have hundreds of thousands and then millions. But right now, guys, we're only about 10, 11 days old. Very exciting. So you want to join now. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. I love saveclub.com. Go ahead and just go to the capture page. That's it right there. Watch this video, though. You can see our founder, Charles. He explains this really good. Okay, then right here, put all your information. Okay, click that orange button if you want more info, or if you want to join, you're going to get a Save Club email. Just open that bad boy up, and boom, you're going to be a member. Okay, and then I'll help you as much as I can so you can kick some ass. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a good day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and peace and love. We'll talk to you next video. Take care, guys.